This video training series is brought to you by Friday People, the National Lottery Community Fund and Proud Business Productions. So far we've talked about lighting, how to do a 3-point lighting setup like this, or how to shoot outside to make your footage look better. We've talked about where to place your subject in the frame so it's visually pleasing and how to use that to tell emotions, as well as the camera height, how to set your camera at different heights to give a different emotion, and then how to stabilize your footage so it's not so shaky. This lesson's nice and short and sweet, and it's all about sound. Sound is actually 50% of a video. You can watch a video if the video quality is not quite as good, but the sound is very audible, whereas you would only last 2 or 3 seconds if a video looked okay, but the sound was really bad. Let me show you a couple of examples. One problem that I see with a lot of videos is everyone takes their footage and their photos from the same height. One problem that I see with a lot of videos is everyone takes their footage and their photos from the same height. So what makes bad audio? Well, the first thing is picking up all the different noises around you, so it's not actually concentrating on your voice. And the second is getting that noise from the wind blowing against your microphone as well. So I'm going to show you how to fix both of those issues. So the first one is the picking up lots of different audio, and that's normally because you're using the microphone in your phone or in your camera, and your camera is quite far away from your mouth, which is producing the actual noise. So if it's far away, then it's going to be picking up everything else in the area as well, whether that's barking dogs or road traffic or anything like that, people talking. It can't tell because it's so far away from your voice that it's going to pick up all that stuff equally to your voice. So that's where you want to use a microphone. And the first one I'm going to show you is called a lav mic or a tie clip mic. It's got many different names, and basically this just clips onto your shirt. If you've got like a dress or something like that, you can do it around the side or whatever you're wearing, and then the lead can just go down your top. And the idea here is that's now a lot closer to your mouth, so your voice is going to be a lot louder than anything else happening around you. But you might be outside and away from your camera, and you don't want a big lead coming from your camera to you. You know, it's a trip hazard, or someone might trip on it and break your camera, something like that. So this mic is known as an omnidirectional mic, and what that basically means is it's picking up sound from all around, from all different directions. This mic is called a directional microphone, and it's just picking up sound from straight in front. So it's not going to pick up much sound from these directions, just straight in front. So that can just go onto the top of your camera, and then make sure it's pointing at you, and that's only going to pick up your voice. But what about the wind? The problem there is the wind is literally blowing across the top of the microphone. So you can get little windshields like this that are okay in light winds, but really you want to get a windshield like this that goes on top of the microphone, and because it's got so much fur and material, that breaks all the wind up so that it's got no power by the time it reaches the microphone. In short, you want to use preferably a lav mic and clip it on so it's close and it's only picking up the sound of your voice. But if you're outside, you can use one of these. It can be called shotgun microphones, and you want it pointing. You don't want it to be too far away, and you want it to be pointing directly at your mouth. You can also use these ones, let's say you're capturing some B-roll on the beach. Your video is about what it means to live by the sea, and so you're capturing B-roll, the waves come in, you can use this to record better quality audio of those waves as well. And basically that's audio done. It's a nice short video. Next we're going to talk about B-roll, which is capturing that extra footage to help you tell your story in your video.